Have you looked in the mirror lately and thought, why does my skin suddenly look loose? Or maybe you felt aches in your knees when climbing stairs, or noticed that a small scratch seems to take forever to heal. What if I told you that behind all of these changes is one missing link? Collagen. It's not just about looking young. Collagen is one of the most essential proteins in your entire body, and when you're not getting enough of it, your body starts showing quiet but serious signs. Today, we're diving into the 5 major signs that you may be collagen deficient, backed by science, and most importantly, how to naturally reverse the damage. So before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We're dedicated to helping you live your very best life, naturally and powerfully. Now, let's look at the signs. 1. Sagging skin, wrinkles, and loss of elasticity. If your skin is looking thinner, looser, or your wrinkles are becoming more defined, this is a classic early sign that collagen levels are falling. Here's why. Collagen makes up about 75% of your skin's dry weight. It's the scaffolding that keeps your skin plump, elastic, and firm. But as you age, and especially if your lifestyle is low in collagen-rich foods or high in processed sugars, collagen production drops dramatically, around 1% per year after age 25, according to a 2012 study published in Dermatoendocrinology. Sun exposure and smoking can speed this up even more. And in women, collagen production can drop by as much as 30% in the first 5 years after menopause, according to the American Journal of Clinical Dermatology. The result? As skin that was once firm becomes thin. Wrinkles settle in faster. And your face may start to look more tired, even if you're not. Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology 2014 showed that oral supplementation with hydrolyzed collagen improved skin elasticity and moisture within 8 weeks. Again, Nutrients Journal 2019 confirmed collagen peptides supported dermal density and reduced skin fragility in older adults. To combat this, you don't need expensive creams. You need to feed your body the tools it needs to rebuild collagen from the inside out. Here are natural ways to do it. Bone broth, rich in collagen and amino acids, like glycine and proline. Vitamin C-rich foods like citrus, bell peppers, and berries, critical for collagen synthesis. Silica, found in cucumbers and oats, helps strengthen collagen fibers. Zinc, pumpkin seeds, lentils, another crucial cofactor for collagen formation. Also, avoid sugar and highly processed foods. They trigger something called glycation, which breaks down collagen fibers and makes them stiff and brittle. 2. Joint pain, stiffness, and cracking knees. The next sign? That grinding or popping in your knees. Or the stiffness in your shoulders or hips. This is not just aging, it's often collagen depletion in action. Remember, collagen isn't just in your skin. It's a primary building block in your cartilage, the smooth tissue that cushions your joints. Without enough collagen, cartilage becomes weak, thinner, and less effective at protecting the bones. That's when you feel the pain. In fact, studies have shown that low collagen can accelerate osteoarthritis. A clinical trial in Current Medical Research and Opinion, 2008, found that athletes with joint pain who took collagen supplements for 24 weeks experienced reduced joint pain and improved mobility. A 2016 study in the journal Applied Physiology, Nutrition, and Metabolism showed that collagen supplementation increased tendon thickness and reduced stiffness in injured athletes. If your joints are sending you signals, it's time to nourish the cartilage. Try collagen peptides, hydrolyzed collagen powder, highly absorbable, and supports joint repair. Gelatin, a cooked form of collagen, great in soups and teas. Anti-inflammatory foods like turmeric, fatty fish, and leafy greens, they support tissue healing. Vitamin C plus collagen combo. This duo works best when taken together for joint support. Also, include foods rich in hyaluronic acid, like sweet potatoes and bone broth, which help lubricate joints alongside collagen. And don't forget movement. Gentle exercise, like walking or stretching, stimulates the body to produce more collagen around joints. We've already seen how collagen loss shows up in the mirror and in your joints. But there's a third sign that's often ignored, even though it could be silently telling you something deeper is wrong. 3. Slow wound healing and easy bruising. Have you ever noticed that your cuts take longer to heal or that your skin bruises more easily than before? This isn't just aging. This could be your body crying out, "I don't have enough collagen to repair myself." Let's break it down. Every time you scrape your skin, tear a muscle, or bump into a table, your body leaps into action, repairing tissues with incredible precision. And collagen is at the center of this repair process. Why? Because collagen is a structural protein. It's like the scaffolding that your cells build on top of during healing. When collagen levels are adequate, the repair happens quickly and neatly. But when collagen is low, wounds close slowly. Scars may form more easily. Bruises show up faster and stay longer. A 2014 study in the Journal of Investigative Dermatology found that collagen is essential to wound closure and tensile strength during the healing process. A 2015 review in Advances in Wound Care emphasized that collagen stimulates fibroblast proliferation and angiogenesis, the formation of new blood vessels, both critical for healing. In simple terms, without enough collagen, wounds take longer to close, and your skin becomes more fragile and prone to bruising. This can be dangerous, especially for older adults, diabetics, or anyone prone to infections or ulcers. If you find yourself healing slowly or bruising easily, don't just reach for ointments. Start by feeding your collagen from within. Here are key tools your body needs: leafy greens like spinach, kale, Swiss chard, packed with vitamin K, which works hand in hand with collagen to support healing and reduce bruising. Berries, especially strawberries and blueberries, rich in vitamin C and anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect and regenerate collagen. Papaya and pineapple. These tropical fruits contain enzymes, papain and bromelain, that reduce inflammation and support tissue regeneration. Grass-fed gelatin contains collagen-building amino acids that accelerate recovery. Also, hydration plays a role here. Without enough water, collagen fibers dry out, become brittle, and can't function properly. So drink up, and consider adding a pinch of Himalayan salt or lemon to your water to help absorption. 4. Muscle weakness and slower recovery after workouts. This is the sign many people don't connect to collagen. But collagen isn't just about joints and skin. It's also a major player in muscles, tendons, and ligaments. In fact, collagen makes up to 10% of your muscle tissue. So when you're low on collagen, it's not just that you can't build strong muscles, you recover slower, feel weaker, and are more prone to injuries like strains and sprains. A 2019 study in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that older men who supplemented with collagen gained more muscle mass and strength after resistance training than those who didn't. According to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, collagen peptides help improve muscle tissue synthesis when paired with exercise. What does that mean for you? If you're feeling tired, weak, or sore after normal activities, it might not just be age, it might be a collagen deficiency quietly stealing your strength. To support your muscles and connective tissues, eggs, especially the whites, rich in proline, glycine, and lysine, all collagen precursors. Wild-caught fish, especially salmon and sardines, contain collagen in their skin and bones, and are also high in omega-3s, which fight inflammation. Beef, chicken, and turkey, especially skin, tendons, and organ meats where collagen is concentrated. Pumpkin seeds and cashews, rich in zinc and copper, both needed to form strong collagen crosslinks. And again, vitamin C is your collagen activator. No vitamin C equals no collagen synthesis. Think citrus fruits, kiwis, and guavas. Number 5, sign has to do with digestive issues such as bloating, leaky gut, and poor nutrient absorption. Collagen isn't just essential for your skin, joints, or muscles. It's a key player in the health of your entire digestive tract. The lining of your intestines is made up of cells that rely on collagen to stay strong and connected. When collagen is low, the integrity of this lining begins to break down, leading to what many experts now refer to as intestinal permeability or leaky gut. This is a condition where microscopic gaps form in the intestinal wall, allowing undigested food particles, bacteria, and toxins to enter the bloodstream. This can trigger a cascade of symptoms, including chronic bloating and gas food sensitivity, skin flare-ups like eczema or acne, autoimmune reactions, constant fatigue, brain fog. Research suggests that the amino acids found in collagen, particularly glutamine, glycine, and proline, are crucial for sealing and repairing the gut lining. In people with digestive disorders like IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, or ulcerative colitis, collagen levels are often significantly lower than normal. A 2017 study in Digestive Diseases and Sciences showed that individuals with leaky gut symptoms had disrupted collagen structures in the intestinal wall. Another study published in Gastroenterology Research and Practice found that oral collagen peptides improved gut barrier function and reduced inflammation markers in the intestines. But it's not just about preventing leaky gut. Collagen also plays a critical role in nutrient absorption. The villi and microvilli, those tiny, finger-like projections in your intestines responsible for absorbing nutrients, rely on strong connective tissue. If collagen breaks down, nutrient absorption drops, no matter how healthy your diet is. This can lead to nutrient deficiencies even in people who are eating well. To support your gut and restore digestive integrity, focus on nutrients and foods that rebuild your intestinal lining and boost collagen production from within. Bone broth, one of the most powerful natural sources of collagen, glutamine, and glycine. Fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, and yogurt, they nourish your microbiome, which works hand in hand with collagen to support gut health. L-glutamine supplements are glutamine-rich foods, such as spinach, parsley, and eggs. Glutamine is a fuel source for enterocytes, the cells lining your gut. Slippery elm and marshmallow root, these herbal remedies coat the gut lining and promote healing in synergy with collagen. Zinc and vitamin A-rich foods, such as beef liver, carrots, and pumpkin, both are critical for maintaining gut lining health. Avoid substances that damage your gut lining and destroy collagen production, including excess alcohol, processed sugars, NSAIDs, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen. Highly processed or fried foods support digestion further by chewing food thoroughly, reducing stress, and avoiding overeating, all of which can affect your body's ability to break down and use proteins like collagen. Collagen loss is not always loud or dramatic, but its effects touch nearly every part of the body, from the skin and joints to the gut, muscles, and even bones. Solutions too. These signs let's now shift focus from symptoms to solutions, sustainable, natural ways to restore collagen production and preserve what you already have. Here's a comprehensive science-supported guide to reversing collagen decline and rebuilding strength, structure, and vitality from within. 1. Nourish your body with collagen. Building nutrients. Collagen is built from amino acids, specifically glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. But your body also needs certain cofactors to activate this process, including vitamin C, zinc, copper, and silicon. To get everything you need, emphasize the following foods. Bone broth. Simmered bones release natural collagen, gelatin, and trace minerals. Eggs, especially the whites, which are rich in glycine and proline. Wild-caught salmon offers collagen in the skin, anti-inflammatory omega-3s, and astaxanthin, an antioxidant that protects existing collagen. Citrus fruits, strawberries, guava, kiwi, all high in vitamin C, which activates collagen synthesis. Pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, oysters provide zinc, essential for stabilizing collagen structure. Oats, cucumbers, bananas, rich in silicon, which helps link collagen and elastin fibers for firm skin and flexible joints. 2. Protect collagen from breakdown. Even if you eat the right foods, daily habits can quietly destroy your collagen. Some of the biggest offenders include refined sugar, promotes glycation, a process where sugar binds to collagen fibers, making them stiff and dysfunctional. Chronic stress increases cortisol, which slows down collagen production and leads to skin thinning. Smoking contains chemicals that destroy collagen and elastin. Sun overexposure, UV rays trigger enzymes called matrix metalloproteinases, MMPs, which break down collagen in the skin. To protect your collagen, use mineral-based sunscreen and wear protective clothing outdoors. Manage stress through mindfulness, deep breathing, walking, or prayer. Limit sugar intake and replace processed snacks with whole foods and fruit. If you smoke, seek support to quit. The skin will thank you. 3. Support your gut where collagen is absorbed. Digestive health determines how well your body breaks down and absorbs amino acids from protein sources. Even the best collagen supplements won't work if your gut is inflamed or leaky. Support collagen absorption with probiotics from yogurt, kefir, or fermented vegetables. Digestive enzymes help break proteins down into amino acids. Hydration. Without enough water, the body struggles to use protein efficiently. Aloe vera and L-glutamine help repair gut lining and support collagen integrity. 4. Consider supplementing wisely. While food should be your foundation, research supports the use of hydrolyzed collagen peptides for faster results, especially in adults over 40. A 2021 meta-analysis published in International Journal of Dermatology found that daily collagen peptide supplementation improved skin hydration, elasticity, and dermal collagen density over 12 weeks. Studies in Nutrients and Journal of Clinical Nutrition have shown that collagen peptides also reduce joint pain and improve muscle recovery, particularly in aging adults and athletes. Look for hydrolyzed or peptide collagen for maximum absorption supplements that include vitamin C, zinc, and hyaluronic acid. Reputable brands, without added sugar, fillers, or artificial additives. Aim for 10 grams per day, taken on an empty stomach or before meals for better uptake. 5. Support collagen with movement and rest. Your body is constantly remodeling itself, but it needs the right signals. Movement, especially strength training and low-impact exercise, tells your body, hey, we need stronger tissue. Build more collagen here. Weight-bearing exercise increases collagen density in bones and tendons. Stretching and yoga improve circulation, delivering nutrients to collagen-rich tissues. Sleep is when collagen repair is at its peak. Your body releases human growth hormone, HGH, at night, which drives collagen production. Adults need 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night. Avoid heavy meals, alcohol, and screens before bedtime to support hormone balance and skin regeneration. The bottom line: collagen is your body's natural glue. It holds your skin firm, your joints strong, your muscles stable, your gut sealed, and your bones resilient. Low collagen may start silently, with sagging skin, slower healing, sore joints, or tummy trouble. But with the right foods, habits, and awareness, you can rebuild what time has worn down. Real change begins from within, one bite, one step, and one good habit at a time. Let your body renew itself naturally. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. And if you have any questions or experiences to share, drop them in the comments. We love hearing from you. You are watching the very best of living with Dr. Promise, where your health comes first. See you in the next one, and remember, your best life is still ahead of you.